Hi everyone, my name is Priyank Ranka. I'm a co-founder of a company called Nimap Infotech. We have made an app called etoken.in which allows various shops like as small shop as a pharmacy, a chemist or a vegetable shop to provide a digital token for their customers to visit their shop. These days what we are seeing now, I mean regularly before the COVID-19, what was a scene that a person needs to stand in a queue to get his or her number for buying groceries or anything else. Now with this app, a user can block his time slot for visiting a particular shop, and that can be verified by the shopkeeper through an app called eToken. So it will help to maintain the social distancing and everything. So when you launch the app, you will get to see how you can help to get a social distancing, how you can get the token without visiting the shop to get a physical token. It can be digital token sitting at your home, so you from your home can reserve your slot to visit a particular shop or a manufacturing unit or anything just by clicking. Now as a shopkeeper or as a shop owner, you can add a shop. So there's a small form which takes the minimum detail. Suppose my shop is Nimap Infotech. You can select the category. So these are the various categories. We can keep on adding the categories. So we are into computer softwares. So I can click those categories. I can set the start time of my shop and the end time, the opening time and the closing time. Now, slot in minutes is basically every shop will have its own way of entertaining the people. Like a chemist might need a customer can come and complete its purchase in next 5 minutes. So a chemist guy can say that my slot for visit might be 5 minutes, whereas a software company might say that we are into B2B business. A one meeting can go, or one entertaining one customer might take as long as 1 hour. So depending upon what type of business you are, what type of customers you are getting in, you can define a slot in terms of minutes. So I define a slot for 15 minutes. Suppose I am a, a general store where I expect that a customer should come and go out of the store in next 15 minutes. So I can say 15, and number of people to be accommodated in that time slot. So I can entertain say 10 customers in 15 minutes. So I can define that. So that means 10 token will be scheduled for per slot which their customer can book it. You can put the address. So I can put the address, say Lower Parel, Mumbai, India. Brand name, if you want, you can put, it's an optional. So I can say brand name. And when you say add shop, the shop gets added and you can see inside your my shop. Now you can see the tokens. You can see how many users are visiting you today. So there is one user which is gonna visit me between 2 to 3 p.m. Then they on 8 June. So you can see all the entire schedule for your particular shop. Now after clicking on check-in, you just verify, it gets verified that a customer which arrived at your shop was the genuine customer who have blocked this slot to visit your shop. You can call the customer if he is not arrived and all by this click button on the call. Now you can share your shop which you have registered on eToken to your customers by just clicking on share button. So on a share, you can share it across WhatsApp, email, whatever application you have to share. When you say WhatsApp, I can share it to, now I get this message I can share. So it says no more queue system, be always first. You can visit Nimap Infotech and block your slot. So this is an app link. So your customer might not need to download the app. If they want, they can download the app. And so when I click on this, I get into the website. So I can say my customer is say Mayank Ranka, and I'll type in my number for the OTP. So I'm taking the number, which is 7021 750 713, and I'll say send OTP. So an OTP will come to verify whether the customer is genuine and the number what you have provided is. So I got the OTP 085727 085727, and I verify. So when you verify, you get the shop name which you want to visit, and then you can select the. So I'll say I will be visiting the shop between 5 to. I'll get the token, and this is how I got the token. I can see all my tokens. So I might have to visit multiple shops, so I can see all the tokens out here when and where I am visiting which all shops for buying my various goods and services. Now when I come back to my app, as a shopkeeper will see tokens. So you will find there is another token in the name of Mayank Koranka, because that was given by the. So here a shopkeeper can understand how many users are visiting, and as a user, you also customer, yes, you can also see what. So you can get token. So you can get token through various categories. You can search whatever. You can search shop by category, by your name. So I'll say computers. So I get the shop. I can search directly the shop name to get the token. So primarily this app is meant for the shop owners, the manufacturing unit, anyone who want to provide good and services to their customers. A customer also can download this app to get all the tokens centralized at one place in, say, My Token. So when I click on My Token, obviously I don't have any tokens, but a customer can see all its My Token out here. So we have created this small utility app as a giving back to the community to play. So we are giving back to the society that what we are capable of. So as an engineer, we can create a lot of solutions which can help the humanity as a whole to overcome this crisis situation, and we help them to maintain the social distancing and provide them more efficient use of their time rather than waiting in the queue, wasting their time. And instead of that, they can do their work at home and then can visit the shop at a particular time. And as for the shop owners also, there's a risk of overcrowding of the people around them, and this way we are helping the society to maintain the social distancing, optimize their time. And it's a completely free app. We are giving as a free app to everyone to use them in this situation.